Amazing Facts About Birds Part 2. Meet our feathered friends, the birds, masters of the sky. They're more than just colorful creatures, they're nature's aviators. Did you know? Some birds, like the Arctic tern, migrate over 44,000 miles annually. That's one long flight. Not all birds can fly though, like the quirky penguin. They're expert swimmers, reaching speeds of 22 miles per hour. And talk about early birds. The North American robin starts its day before sunrise. Lastly, the tiny hummingbird flaps its wings 70 times per second. Now that's fast. Explore more about these fascinating creatures with us. Please like and subscribe.